Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing some gold in this clay. Normally, people use a gold leaf. I do not have gold leaf. Cannot find my rolling pin, so I'm just going to use a marker. It'll work. Go. Oh yeah, that looks nice. Look at that. Those are great colors. So I'm gonna make some little teeny tiny studs. If any of you ever seen like those hot foil pens that you can buy where it has that foil and you can take the pen and you can draw on it with the pen and then the foil will go onto the whatever it is that you're using. I guess it's paper or cardboard or cardstock or whatever. Anyway, I do not have one of those pens, but I do have some foil. This is heat transfer. It's not really like a foil, it's plastic, but on the bottom it's like this heat sensitive stuff. I don't know what it's made with, but anyway, that's what I got. I decided I wanted to try this, but the way I figured out you have to do it, first off you got to roll your clay out. I tried doing a heat gun to see if that would work, and it does get the clay warm. However, it kind of presents a problem because then if you get your clay too warm with the heat gun, it'll start to bake the clay, kind of, so to speak, and it makes your clay dry and crumbly. So then I just tried it regular. So I figured, well, I'm just gonna put this on here and see how it works. Now, I don't wanna do the whole thing because this looks kind of cool like this. I want maybe just some sections. So I'm just gonna stick it on there. Look at that. What? Shush. Look what that just did. Take your heat transfer foil and lay it right on top of that polymer clay. And I bet you anything, you could probably also draw things in it. I don't know, I haven't tried that yet. Here, look at that. Here, just some little spaces wherever, like so. I even have silver, which I was gonna try, but I figure I really like the gold. And look at that. And then you're gonna take your, so just gonna start doing that. Oh, how cute. What I wonder is, baking this, because it is a hot foil, is it gonna cause my clay or my foils to tarnish at all? Who knows? When I say tarnish, I mean dull. That's what I mean to say. How neat. Is this one even showing? It looks pretty mirrored. That'd be cool if I don't lose any of that effect, you know? Anyway, here we go. This here. The patterns turn out so neat. I got some other things I want to try with this too, so I cannot wait to do a separate video on the other things that I was wanting to try. There we go. Oh yeah. All right, and I'm just gonna mix this up. So the next step is, I tried doing this before, and when I stuck it in the oven like this, what happened was, like I was saying, all of the gold wound up muddling, like it wasn't shiny anymore, and it turned like this dull, like not gold finish or color to it, and I did not like that. But I have realized that I can use like this Sculpey bakeable medium. It's clear, transparent, and it dries really glossy, which I like to use resin on my stuff, but I'm gonna try this because it's not baked yet, and of course you can't stick resin in the oven. Move it around. There we go. What is this gonna look like when it's baked? This should be interesting. All right, I'm gonna bake this in the oven for 275 for 10 minutes. I'll be back. All right, and here's the finished product. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful those are. And the gold is super shiny. So now this liquid Sculpey, I don't really like the way it feels after it dries. It's got like this, can you see it? It's like a rubbery, thing on the clay when it dries. I'm not really a fan of that. I'm gonna have to cut that off. What the heck? So now you know what you can do. You can take heat transfer foil and rub it on there and put some liquid Sculpey on top. Voila! Hey, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more art-related content. Until next time, toodles!